Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. It's equipped with triple 250 V8 Verados with joystick piloting. Let's hop up and show the options. It's a beautiful white hull, blue canvas enclosure, the new gray snap-in sea deck flooring, which feels awesome on your feet. Look at this cockpit space here. Amazing social zone. You can entertain your family and friends. We do have an air-conditioned helm, AC, heat, dehumidifier setting. You can enclose this in the middle of summer and like very, very comfortable, completely climate controlled. Got the new gray tones with the gray stone seats, which I'll show you. Hot and cold water, fresh water sink here, stainless steel bowl. Nice cockpit fridge. Put your sandwiches, your drinks. It's got a little freezer in the top. And then that new plush upholstery in stone. They call it stone gray. Very, very comfortable seat. You got a table that goes in the pedestal base there. Look at the grab handles for all your passengers there. Something to grab onto. Double helms. Upgraded 12-inch Simrad screens that have your GPS, your fish finder, all your tacks and gauges. Of course, the joystick piloting. Got your sky hook, auto heading, and your dock waypoints. We got nice U-zips in the side, which is really nice if you wanted to leave this up. You're running, but you didn't want to take it off, but you still wanted to get some airflow. This can roll right up. Super easy to use. Storage on the port side, and then direct bow access, which our customers are loving on this model, right to the bow. Triple wide lounger, plenty of space, railings for safety, anchor windlass. It's a great day boat, hop in, go, but has the awesome necessary amenities for your cabin if you want to spend the weekend on the boat. Right now the V-berth is turned into a double bed. The cushion will come right off. The table will raise up and create a nice dinette area. We've got a television, all your electrical panel and controls right here for easy access. A separate thermostat downstairs. Two twins in the back that convert into a nice king-size bed with the television back there. And then, of course, beautifully equipped head, shower wand. As you can see, you can stand up in there. Guys, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach.